Hello and welcome back to another video here on my channel. Today's video is a cherry themed nail set. I wanted to make a nail set to match a purse that I've ordered online, and it's a no-name brand purse, and it's pink with red cherries on it, and I thought making a nail set inspired by that purse would be the perfect thing because it is so pretty. It's so summer, so spring. I think you'll enjoy this nail set. I really like how it turned out. It's very simple and very easy. All you need is a pink, a red, and a green. And that is it to complete this nail set. So I hope you enjoy the video and thank you so much for watching.
Somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights and whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem. Wish for me to call you when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. 'Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. 'Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? 'Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding cover, no get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you took it all night. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night. Show ya. Show me the color where you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you rip it off? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? And you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know in the comments below if you like this nail set. I think I can do without the white shine that I put on the cherries, but I still think it's cute. Anyway, leave me a cherry emoji below if you've made it this far in the video. And this is the purse that I was telling you about in the beginning of the video. I think the colors match perfectly. I had the perfect pink. Everything just came together. Thank you so much for watching again. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the post notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload a video. And I'll see you, or you'll see me in the next video. Bye, guys.
I gave my all to deserve ya. Begging on my knees just to show ya. You're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me.